viral moment of a girl and she have fear
I bet you
business.
me know
She
them
can
a
come
said
public
that.
and come tell
She
people
did
about
say something
fear
wrong, lady.
business.
You
See,
can't
you
run
the little
past.
girl
She
so
did
to
say something
manipulate the
wrong.
whole
Miss
media.
Blinga, me
The
not
whole of
talk
we are made
about.
we yam over man enough time. Shauna is a wicked girl and
All
that
right,
she does.
guys,
She use
look.
the little
Me
girl
just
to
Donia
want
talk
here.
about.
Me just want here. Me can't do that. Bring down something. Me, me just want.
I show you, see that same with all that calculus. So we're good now, we're alright. Make you mix up in a teaching. Them gonna tell the girls say me, them say, me say the girls, me say the girl fuck. Me say the way all the
Stop calling.
it look like he fuck it, me say it clearly. What's your name there? What's your name there? Blinga for come on live. So we can go over there and Blinga, what specifically did I say? Because these people with the screen recording, they will go around and they say, me said this, me say, look, the way the girl act, I'm me a woman. When time me like a boy, me love some for a boy. But a boy, if you not fuck me, me not gonna move certain way over a boy. The way I was still a behave, he move like the boy fucker, that me said. I said, look like the boy fucker, it become an obsession. It become an obsession. Why uno so biased?
Morning, guys.
But God's time. God's time.
Yeah.
I know that the part there, me want here. Listen, remember when the people them a talk to me, to go through 1 year and come through the next, you know. Cause
And that she say.
I know like I care about the people them really. Me just review some of them. But what me I say, yesterday, when she was talking, when I said she never said, may I ask anybody if they have the screen recording of yesterday? Cause me can't bother. So cause when I said that make Donia know, come for me.
No, let me tell you, Donia come on the live before Shauna, Miss Blinga. Me have the part there too. Me I go send it in your WhatsApp. You can
Me no want
switch
here,
put on.
girl. Me I try to tell you, me no watch blood clot them, me no listen them.
Here when you say Miss Blinga, we upset me. Here when you say we upset me, Miss Blinga. Remember the whole of we are TikToker. Regardless you hurt or whatever. If you say you not have nothing against Miss Blinga, you could have come and say, Miss Blinga, me hear you said this about me, how treat me. He start attack you, then fi cancel you. The big bad woman they will love mix up and something. So
Don't
he
you
come
feel
like
like
you
nobody
have
but big because Donia frownsy. Make it make sense.
Miss Big, I'm coming to give me 2%.
Nobody make me start talk. You understand?
Yesterday,
Listen to
I'm coming
me.
in your box.
Listen to me. Donia no know nothing about blood clots me. The girl them will grow on Donia. Go suck your mother and me. This is what me I try to tell you. So me not depend this, you know. Me not depend this with you know. Me not depend this with no. Me not in a it. Me not in a argument. Donia woman have big back. Donia mother back no big. Donia sister them back no big. Why is it a woman's strength him have? Why a woman's strength him have? Before you call people big back, trust me, check see if your mama back big or your sister them back big or your auntie. Bring me the wrong. Go suck your mother, don't you feed me? Eh?
Miss Blinga,
Ever
now listen
disrespect
to
this
them.
man? Me
Now
ever
listen to them
disrespect?
because yesterday you never did that disrespect Donia.
This a one war. Me I'm telling you right now. This a one war. When Donia now want start. Because a girl strength him have. A girl strength you have. Me and you not have nothing.
What's my 2-2 right there so quick and fast. Remember say, Donia evergreen. Every party go Donia green.
We don't like that.
We are not got this, mama talk. Remember say Donia mean and I like spend everywhere go a book is spend. Next thing again, Shauna. Remember say you did a look Donia never did one you and him pick and me have nothing to say. Donia, remember you green. Every party you go you stink, you green. I remember you don't like spend.
That is it, mama. Miss Blinga never said nothing bad about Donia yesterday. Me not pick up for Miss Blinga. Miss Blinga always attack say, listen, regardless the situation, me rate Donia, me love him. I mean not this
I
same.
mean, I understand him just upset because me make people, bitch, motherfucker, this is not your platform. You can't tell me who for add, you can't tell me who for run. This is not your platform.
Them blood clot, Miss Blinga must defend herself to girl.
You leg off for me like blood clot time. So what the fuck you come about now? You leg off for me. Remember say you leg off for blood clots. Me and you click live with me and tell me say you're done. You not talk to me. You understand? Me never tell you fuck you. Me never tell you fuck out. Me never tell you suck your mother. Me never say no. Me say okay.
Exactly.
So what you doing?
Me a moderate up on next page. Me want it on the page at all. Me a do it for free. Cause me don't know what of them
Press.
drunk prayer.
I mean, I know who they are the comments. I remove me comments. I mean, I
must come blood clot defend herself too. I what do you know? Me see bigger than blood clot. Miss Bling up on the back, the app. I wanna cherish blood clot them.
That is it.
I what the fuck do you know?
The rest of
And
Miss
them
Blinga,
come
she
and
knows
mash up
see
the
her
blood
back big.
clot app.
Miss Blinga knows see her back big already, Donia. She don't need you to tell her how you entourage them.
I'm bigger back than blood clot, Miss Blinga there.
I mean, that blood clot step cause to Miss Blinga. Maybe it's nobody want to say.
Yeah.
We're supposed to talk about anything we come on the media.
Look here. You know what? See me back. Spice back bigger than for me, my love. Trust me. Me I tell you that. But cause no bring good word. You understand?
Yeah.
And I don't have a problem. But because she said that, everybody I take it, run with it. But perhaps me ask Christ, them woman and them mama back bigger than for me.
But you always attack to. You always a say it to her. We always a say if you stop say them thing that because you back the big.
No, me say me have
Exactly.
straight belly. That's what me say. But let me tell you
You
this.
understand?
Donia, you think you're rich. Donia, me are the female on the app where you're not supposed to come for. I am the female on the app that you're not supposed to come for. So stay in your blood clot lane with your word them. Because I know and a little bit of time you shade me. I'm gonna say nothing. You shade me all the time. I'm gonna say stop it. And you never stop it. All the time you shade me. I'm have to jump off of the live them with you. I say stop say that. Don't is that straight go. Stop it. But you don't take heed. You're continuously doing it. I'm say alright.
See
The
him,
best
so.
thing you ever do when you tell me say me and you is no friend no more. That's the best thing you've ever done. So I don't see why you are gonna feel like say you're boss on this, or you're the owner for TikTok, or are you run this, or are you run this where you can say people for cancel me. Don't you behave yourself because anyhow, as a matter of fact, nobody can cancel me, don't you? And the next thing, how would I be cancel for cancer, sweetheart? So no way I
Check
do.
your WhatsApp Bling.
No way I do, because it would be cancer for cancer. Me and I
But
have nothing.
when Donia this Miss Blinga, me not pick up for Miss Blinga. Miss Blinga never yet tell Donia
But
say
we not talk about
I
him.
read.
We not talk
Don't
about
Miss
him.
Blinga never tell Donia say I read. So when you come for the yes, the woman know say her back big, a fear back alone big, and that the back there alone is big. You know see one big back right in front of you every day, every night, every time at the hour. Rest off from Miss Blinga. Anytime nobody say nothing, me a rub no out, me no business. Me a rub no out because at the end of the day, no go on like say, yeah, Miss Blinga alone attack. And it bought me so much one heap of things more talking to Miss Blinga because all the girl Fabi, I go Fabi for going now. Me say doing it over there, this the girl, you know. Idiot girl.
No, him
That's
feel
why I
like
need a power with you.
Him feel like a
But
family.
we not business with Fabi. We not business
But
with
him
blood
feel like
clot
a family.
Fabi.
It is Fabi, Miss Blinga,
God's
Fabi,
child,
and
we
think
don't
I'm afraid of
business with
him.
Fabi. And you not supposed to business with her either. We are blinganaires. We not business with blood clot Fabi, and she put herself that way.
You dey fuck
And she
your
got
cut
to blow up.
about Miss Blinga back big.
business
And
with
with the
she.
cancer your blood clot to everybody ever get cancer one time. Everybody are good
We
on
not
one by
business with
one.
she.
Boy, know
Shauna
when
with
Miss Blinga do
data.
on the app when nobody else never do press. And that me want to know. When Miss Blinga do on the app when
Queen
nobody
of
else never
TikTok,
do.
Miss Blinga, stop wasting energy from people. True, you're going somewhere, that's why people are bad mind your mama.
Blinganeers all day, all night. So Donia, me don't know what
Yeah.
y'all gonna do. This Blinga, me don't know what them are gonna do after today because some man are gonna drop dead. Me don't know what I'm gonna do because Miss Blinga they have to see. I
Success,
yesterday me
that's why them
talking.
body.
One blood clot,
Just ease
Blinga.
yourself, Miss
One.
Blinga.
One queen from the app. But cancel. They must think a blood clot break this.
Success and money,
When I have the
Miss
end.
Blinga. Easy.
One blood clot, Blinga never two.
Yeah.
Miss Blinga never
Bring
run
do-
out of ammunition
Bring
yet.
to her
Move.
wrong. Bring to
Move
her
when
wrong.
the
Say
tinky
anything
winky
when them want
blood
to
clot
her, them
and
do to
boy.
her. We
When
not
you look
business
a
with
bit